3D printing's usefulness is growing at a staggering rate. What started out as little more than a way to fabricate tchotchkes is now a darling of the manufacturing industry. Automotive startup Local Motors is taking this new technology to the extreme. It's just introduced the LM3D Swim, the first 3D printed car aimed for mass production. The all-electric LM3D Swim comprises approximately 75% 3D printed parts, but the company aims to increase that number to 90% as the technology continues to develop. The Swim's body is the result of a crowdsourced contest that ended in July. In the past few months, our engineers have moved from only a rendering to the car you see in front of you today, Local Motors CEO Jay Rogers told the crowd at SEMA, where the car debuted. One of the biggest benefits of 3D printing is its speed, and Local Motors is taking advantage of that. The company hopes to roll out several LM3D variants on the same chassis throughout 2016. Speaking of speed, the company is operating on quite the fast timeline. Local Motors press release mentions that pre-orders for its car will take place in spring 2016, at an estimated retail price of $53,000. Initial deliveries are slated for 2017. Next, and most importantly, the LM3D needs to pass federal crash testing. The company has not completed that step yet, which means any cars produced cannot be delivered to customers. There is no guarantee the Swim's initial design will pass regulatory muster, but the company remains confident that it will adhere to the timeline set out before it. We expect the timeline to happen, as we are already in the early stages of that crash testing. If the certification takes longer than expected, we will simply push the timeline back slightly, said Local Motors spokesman Adam Kress.